Sandra Bailey,
And where you from?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
How has the power of prophecy blessed your life?
The power of prophecy has blessed my life in many ways, but it started off so strange. The letters that I receive monthly, they are so on point. I've been receiving them for over a year, and I was able to sow into the ministry just a few times. But every letter that I receive, I keep it. It kind of feel eerie because that they are true. You know, if you send your letter, you know, look for whatever is in it to come to pass, and it never fails. It had got to the place where I'm almost afraid to open up the letters. But I know I got to open up the letters because of what's in them. One time I actually called the 212 number to ask them how did they know this, and do he send out a letter with where he put, you know, a computer button where he just changed the name on the top. You know, I did. I called. I called and I asked. I really did ask, because I wanted to know. Every single time, everything, it comes to pass that's in the letters. And they are encouraging. Even if I got a warning one time about something that was going on, and for me not to be dismayed, because I was going to be all right. Sure enough, I lost my church, and I'm all right. I don't feel bad about it, because I'm all right. You know, God said, you know, I'm all right. And then this month, the letter that I got said that I would meet an important person, and that I was going to be elevated to the point to where I'm able to speak to people in a larger volume. And so I folded up the letter. Matter of fact, I got two. I folded up the letter and didn't pay it no mind. The Pastor Prophet Bernard Jordan was coming to Charlotte the 19th and the 20th. And I wanted to go see at Cap Hill Mine Church Road. I didn't get to go at all. And so this morning when I left, which is the 21st, I'm being silly, right? And so I said, I'm just going to drive down Cap Hill Mine Road and see how far I would have had to go down that road. And I went down there and turned around in the church parking lot and called my sister and said, ain't nothing going on here. You know, the day is the 21st. And so I came out here to the church, to the hotel this morning, not looking for Zoe Ministry, and I walked through the door on that marquee, big as day, it said Zoe Ministry. I say, that's Master Prophet Bernard Jordan. And so when he walked through, when I was standing right there, I got to meet somebody of importance, you know, yes. And the television screen is there, and I am speaking to a large audience. The power of prophecy.
Wow. And that's
the power of prophecy.